I think you're right about the unclearness of the emulation progress. But I think there might be other way to prove it, which means if I change the mobility model and extend the duration of the emulations, and if the network, when the network topology changes and the destination and the source node were in the different clusters, and at the moment when you can still see the packet transmitting, that proves the carry and forward theory works. Okay, now I'm going to try to do this. Firstly, I will use the script to generate another scenario. So in this, I have tested a little before this video, and I think so. Firstly, we're going to still use 18 nodes because the e-main setting is 18 nodes. And if we're going to, indeed, these node numbers could be changed, but the image has also to be changed too. And I will make this scenario a little smaller because that might. So I'll use 600 long and 400 width. And the velocity of nodes, I will use the 50. And I will, like I said before, I will expand the duration, so I will make it 100 seconds. Okay, so after the scenario has been created, let's do this emulation once more time. And if in this scenario we can see the package is still transmitting when the clusters are falling apart, and the source node and destination node are in different individual clusters, then we can prove that the carry and forward are still are working. So I think this, okay, now they're still in the same cluster. Okay, I think we'll need to wait a second. Okay, now there's in different clusters. You can see the even if they're in different clusters, the purple node, whereas the source node is still transmitting data to the destination. Okay, because I'm changing this to 100 seconds. Change the duration. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's close this and stop the demonstration. Now I'm gonna trying to modify it so that not only the purple node sending the data, all of the other nodes are sending data. Okay. Where is it? Routing. connecting link update connecting table. Oh, here. This and this. Okay. Now I didn't change the mobility model, so we're still using the same topology. Oh, it's appearing in the other window. So, okay, this might be more. You can see, even if the destination node is in a separate clusters, in the different clusters, they will still trying to transmitting and find relays, and I think that in that way it proves that the carry and forward routing theory is working as well. Okay, so for the another thing, which you mentioned, that you want to see how ORSL and carry and forward are interacting with each other. I think that that might be a little bit complicated, because right now the emulator can't find out whether this package is driven by OLSR or the modified carry and forward, because they were all integrated in the same routing protocol. I wrote is modified OLSR. So if we want to show the different packages, in different colors, show whether this package is sending by the OLSR itself or is sending by carry and forward. And I think in that way we need Wireshark, because when I modified the OLSR, I set the carry and forward using a different packet header. So we're going to use, I think I need to use Wireshark to examine the packet, and when I see the specific packet header, which means that packet is sending using these carry and forward. And otherwise, if that in that particular position is reserved, is blank, that means that it is transmitting by the OLSR itself. Okay, that's the explanation.